So hi, welcome back. Today we are in our house. Lol. Just a right place to, read. Uh, so I'll just start with a question. So have you ever picked up fantasy book thinking that you are just going to read one chapter and then you're absolutely hooked to the, book? Then this is the video. And these are the three books and you'll love them for sure. So let's dive into it. So the first book I want to review is These Broken Stars by Amy Kaufman and Megan Spooner. Uh, this book is very special to me because for the fact that I was trying to get this book off Amazon and it was never ever available. Okay, and then I told my sister to get it for me from the US, and see, I mean the whole effort was worth it, and the book wasn't a bummer. So it's a sci-fi survival story. This book is about a girl called Lilac. She's the richest in the universe, and Trevor, a decorated war hero. And you'll find themselves, they are finding themselves stranded on an unknown planet and forced to survive together. So it's absolutely a survival story, and you'll love it. I think there's another book to it, but I have not really gotten into that. I feel like I have to do all the efforts again, so I have not dived into it. But I will surely read the other part, and yeah, you should too as well. It's a perfect enemies to lovers kind of a book. So the second book I want to review is Witchwood by Tahir Mahfi. See, she's an Iranian American author known for writing imaginative YA books. She is famous for her series called Chatami that I have read as well, and it's another, I don't know, it's one of my best books because initially when I started reading dystopian and YA, she was a savior and I kind of liked it. So getting back on the book, the story follows Laila, a girl whose job is basically to wash bodies of the dead and guide them to afterlife. The responsibility itself is very emotional and it kind of takes a toll on her. It if you read about it, you will also find that there are other things that you have to consider in life, and not all jobs are very glorifying. So the third book, finally we are the third book, and this is The House in the Celestial Sea by TJ Colon. This book probably is very heartwarming fantasy, and it follows Lewis Baker, a government case worker sent to inspect an orphanage for magical children on a remote island. Like, all of this sounds damn good. Okay, and what he encounters in that journey is just amazing. And I like TJ Colon's world building because it's really good, and you kind of um, how things get into a shape and form. So the world building kind of gets into a shape and form with him. It's very like you find your family in between all the chaos. It's that kind of book, and the book feels like a warm hug in a book form. Obviously, it's magical, funny, and incredibly wholesome. Sorry about the noise, I'm in the balcony. So some books build tell you stories, and some books just build an entire universe, and these three are definitely that. Okay, uh, all three are just amazing, written. All three authors are just well known in their whole genre. The best part of these books is that you'll feel like this book should never get over, and that's actually an achievement for the writer. uh, Fair warning, if you pick up any of these books, don't blame me if you lose sleep finishing with them, and you love them. And या तेवढंच आता. चला मग जाऊया वाचायला बुक. Buka, book, whatever. Yeah. Bye. I will see you next time. Mic text, mic text. Text 1 2 3 4 mic test, mic text.